I miss my cocoa butter kisses. Hope you smile when you listen. Ain't no competition, just competing for attention. Can you like? I'm not on no games. Well, baby, I've been peeping, and you ain't been the same. Like, who been on your mind? Who got your time? Who you been rockin' with? Sticking to you cause I'm for stupid letters. Singing love songs, love songs, love songs, singing love songs.
Hey y'all, hey, it's Amia Renee. Welcome to the vlog. Today, I don't even know what today is. Today is another day. I have not been feeling good, so my man, he made me some homemade cough syrup. So sweet of him. It was with honey, lemon, and ginger, but my throat was on fire, and I said I need something more to help me sleep. We just ran to Walmart, got a couple of things, NECESSAIRE. I need something to help me sleep because my throat is on fire, so I need to sleep. Got some cough drops. More cough drops. And I got some soup. My mother was supposed to be making chicken and dumplings, but she didn't make any, and I was so sad. So I got some Campbell's chicken and dumplings soup. And I got this pot pie. So something a little more heartier than just plain chicken noodle soup, because I'm going to take that medicine tonight, so I need something in my stomach. And then I saw these at Walmart too. Lime chili flavored shrimp. What are these? I can't even think. What are they called? Cups of noodles. I'm sorry, y'all. I just can't think. I don't feel good. So I got this to go to work. I usually don't eat these that much because, you know, sodium and everything. But I want some type of soup, brothy situation when I go to work. So I'm going to take this to work. And that's about it, y'all. I guess I'll see y'all in 2 days. So yeah, today is Wednesday. We going out. My man's taking me out on a surprise date Friday. So I'm trying to get myself better because I want to go on this date. I love to eat. He loved to eat, so we're going to a restaurant, and I got to get myself together to be able to have an appetite, because I really don't even have an appetite. My cat over there crying. All right, y'all. I'll check in with y'all later. Today I'm going to be making Sunday dinner. I still don't feel 100%. Actually, I had to sit down in my kitchen to make my meal, but I was tired of eating soup. I had soup for about 3 or 4 days since I tested positive for COVID again. I wanted something a little more heartier on my stomach because I was still taking medication, trying to clear up this COVID.
I can't believe I believed everything we had was last week, and naive of me to think she was from your past.
got some Pedialyte. I'm going to drink that. It's really sweet. So I'm drinking that and cutting it with some water. Again, to help with my sickness. And this is my plate. Made his own food. He had some pot roast, spinach, and some macaroni and cheese. I barely had enough energy to make my own food, so he made his. Thank you for watching. I know this vlog is a little short because I really didn't do too much this week. But I'll see you next time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.